Today, as we celebrate 77 years of our nation's independence, we at Solacium Pharma are proud to honor the spirit of freedom and unity that has shaped our journey. Our country's progress is a testament to the resilience and vision of countless individuals who have dedicated themselves to the growth and prosperity of this great land. At Solacium Pharma, we recognize the importance of contributing to this progress by advancing healthcare and improving lives. Our mission aligns with the values of freedom and empowerment, striving to provide innovative solutions for a healthier future. On this special day, let us reflect on the sacrifices made for our independence and renew our commitment to advancing our collective well-being. Together, we can continue to build a brighter, healthier tomorrow. Happy Independence Day to all.